lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of August Boxycharm Premium box. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got, telling you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So as usual, I did go ahead and try out the makeup products on my face today beforehand so that I could tell you guys my first impressions of the products. So here is the card. It is the same as the base box. The theme is Dusk Till Dawn. I know this video is going up pretty late, but I did receive my box pretty late this month, so that's the reason for that. Alright, so first up, I have something in here from Item Beauty. This is their lid glaze. So it is a liquid shadow. It's in this plastic packaging. So it is in the shade Sunday 3 a.m. and this is their hydrating jelly eyeshadow. Now this retails for $14, and I do have it on my lid. It's kind of what I place, like the shimmery part. I placed it like right around here. It's not what's in the inner corners of my eyes. I have something else on, but I will go ahead and swatch it. It's like a at first glance you think it's gonna be pink, but it's more of like a reflective, like pinky gold. Like it has kind of like a shift of pink, but it's also kind of gold looking. So it is actually a really pretty color, and I do like it. It seemed to have gone on really well, is really reflective, and it dried down pretty quickly. So far, I like this product. So next up, we have something here from Kate Berkey, I think is the brand. I've never heard of this brand before, but it's a Nutrient C eye cream. And I think this may have been one of my choice items. I can't really remember. But it's in like this nice, is this plastic or glass? It may be a glass bottle, but it kind of feels like a thick plastic at the same time. But anyways, it's a pretty big, bottle, considering this is like an eye cream, and usually like eye creams come in like little bitty bottles. Yeah, this is a pretty good sized bottle. Dang, no wonder. So this product here retails for $90. So yeah, it better be a good sized product. And then we have something here from Playa, I think is how you say the brand name. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but this is a new brand to Boxycharm, and this is the Monet, is it Moni or whatever, milk leave-in conditioner, and this retails for $24. So I do like getting hair products every now and then, and I do like leave-in conditioners. So it's a spray. So yeah, I'm interested in trying this out. I do use leave-in conditioners when I get them in my boxes. So yeah, $24 for that. Then we have something in here from Mellow Way, I think is the brand name. Yeah, Mellow Way, another new brand to Boxy. This is the Your Way Mascara, and this retails for $22. I didn't use this product because I'm not opening new mascaras right now. The packaging is really interesting. It's kind of like this soft feeling plastic. It's really weird feeling. It's definitely very interesting, but it's like, it's not squishy, but it's just like very soft texture and just smooth. It's really weird. I'm terrible at explaining this, but anyways, here's the mascara. So $22 for that. Yeah, I will definitely use this at some point. It's just right now I have so many mascaras that are already opened and they're getting old, so I need to use them up before they go bad or dry out. So yeah, I haven't been using new mascaras lately. Alright, and then I think this was my second choice item, but we have a product in here from Complex Culture. I do really like the brand Complex Culture. I think they have a lot of good products. Anyway, this is their Pout Clout Nourishing Lipstick, and this retails for $24, and I have it in the shade Owns It, and that is what I have on my lips right now. So far, I really, really like the shade. This is like my perfect kind of like nude pinky shades. These types of lipsticks are the ones that I gravitate to the most. Anyway, so really nice color. The packaging is really nice, and it does have the magnetic, top here. So yeah, really happy to have gotten this in my box. So I have gotten quite a few things from Complex Culture in my Boxycharm box, or I've actually bought stuff off of their Boxycharm website. I have several palettes from them, a blush. I don't know if I have a bronzer from them. I think I do. I think I have a blush palette from them. But anyways, I really like this brand, so yeah. Very excited to see that in my box this month. Alright, and then last but not least is the eyeshadow palette in this month's box. So this is the Signature palette in the Symphony, I think is the palette name. I'm not really sure. Or is it Signature palette? Not sure, but this is from Ofra. And this retails for $34. So here's the packaging. And then here is what the palette looks like. So yeah, not too shabby. The shades are definitely pretty purpley. I did try it out today, and so far I really like it. I use this pinkish shade here to use as my transition shade, and then I deepened up the corners using this shade right here. I didn't use these two shimmers because I ended up trying out the liquid eyeshadow, but I did use this nice like gold shade here as the inner corner highlighter, which it worked out really well, and I do really like how that looks in the corners there. So yeah, overall, I think the quality is nice. I probably would not have gone out and picked this up on my own, but it is nice to see in the palette, and I don't think I have any other Ofra eyeshadow palettes. I know I have several of their highlighters and maybe a face palette, but I've never tried their eyeshadow, so this is the first time for me, and so far I say their quality seems nice. But that is everything in my box, and I'm just going to go ahead and tally up the price of everything to let you guys know the overall value, and then after that I will do a final run through and let you guys know whether or not this month's premium box was worth it. Alrighty, so the overall value for this month's box is $208, which is not too bad considering what I paid for the box. Alright, and now move on to the final run through. So let's see what we got. We got this liquid eyeshadow, which I think is actually pretty nice. I don't typically go out and buy liquid eyeshadows, so when I get them in the box I definitely use them, but it's definitely not something that I feel the need to go out and buy, just because, I don't know, I've always had a more preference towards powder products. That's just my personal preference. But having said that, it does look really nice on the lid, and it is a very pretty color, so I will definitely use it now it's in my collection. And $14 I think is a reasonable price for liquid eyeshadow. So that's a good product. Let's see. Then we have this mascara here. I haven't tried it yet, so I don't really have an impression on it, but I do like getting mascaras, and I think it is just in the shade. Yeah, it's just in the shade Super Black. I forgot to mention that. Yeah, never heard of the brand. Excited to try out their mascara. I will maybe do an update once I've tried it out, but I don't mind getting mascaras every now and then. And then the two non-makeup products, I do really like getting leave-in conditioners. I do use them quite a bit, so these are always nice to get, and especially from a brand I've never heard of and have never tried the product, so this is a plus for me. Yeah, eye creams I don't mind getting. I do have quite a few already in my skincare collection, but I'm liking that this was not like super heavy skincare box this month. I still got way more makeup products than non-makeup products, so I really don't have any complaints about these products. I will use them up. As far as like the makeup side, I think my two favorite products was definitely the lipstick and the eyeshadow palette. I really do like the shade of lipstick from Complex Culture, and I really do like their products, so I was thrilled to see this as an option in my box this month. And then the palette itself is maybe not like my favorite color story, but it looks nice, and I will definitely use it. And if I don't end up keeping it, I will just pass it on to a family member or friend, and they will probably get a lot of good use out of it. So it's not going to go to waste, and I am pretty excited to have finally gotten to try out one of Ofra's eyeshadow palettes, because like I said, I don't think I've ever tried one of their eyeshadow palettes before. I've used several of their highlighters, and I've always liked their highlighters, so yeah, it was just really nice to get to try out the actual eyeshadow formula, and so far I'm not disappointed. So yeah, overall I think this month's box was definitely worth it, at least for me personally. I got a nice mixture of products, and everything that I've tried so far I've really liked. But yeah, big thumbs up for this month's premium box. Really happy with it. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help with my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box this month. Did you guys get premium this month? And if you did, what did you think of your box? Let me know down below because I love chatting with you guys. But other than that, hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!